Today is the 1 year anniversary of my first YouTube video. My first video is a vlog of my visit an Italian restaurant. At the time, I was exposed to Indian culture for the first time, and suddenly I thought, I watch Japanese and American music and movies every day. But since there are 100 million Japanese, 300 million Americans, and 1.3 billion Indians, could it be that Indian music and movies are more major in the world? Immediately, I checked the status of YouTube in the world. To my surprise, Indian sports and dramas was top in the world. Of course, the US was also at top of the world. That's when my interest in the world began to grow. Started to think that I would like to visit the world. First of all, I decided to send out information about Japan to the world. In the beginning, I spoke in the language of the world. It was a lot of fun, but it was difficult. Hindi, Spanish, Arabic, Russian, Indonesian, Turkish, Italian, Portuguese, French, Greek, Icelandic, African, Albanian, Armenian, Ukrainian, and German. After that, I record my daily morning walk. And I went to Sakae Yoko Study Abroad Institute for the first time. From there, I studied for studying abroad began. My son graduated from college and left for Tokyo as he had found a job. This is Raiden Shrine, our most important shrine. We also went to Mount Fuji. This is Mount Fuji. And Wasabi Garden. Kuma Safari Park. Please watch this video. The lions and buffaloes are amazing. I was studying philosophy and mathematics for study abroad. I was also studying English, and this video of my daily pro English is fun, so please watch it. This cave is also wonderful, so please take it out. In July, I went to Ikebukuro to get my hair blonde. Hang-Glowing Lights, Myomichika. This building is also amazing, so if you like architecture, be sure to check it out. From here, I was introduced to major in Tokyo. In August, Torizo built a nest in our garden and live eggs. I observed it every day as it worked hard to raise them. There is also a video of Miyazaki Miyajima in Hiroshima. If you are interested in Japan, please watch it. Great picnic in Nagano. Ikaho Onsen Hot Spring. Nagano's Izutsu wine is best. Awara Onsen, Awara Hot Spring is in Fukui. Was great. I had a great time at Awara Onsen in Fukui. And I introduced traditional Japanese craft culture, urushi and taniyaki. There is Kenroku Garden. This is one of the three major gardens in Japan. It's an amazing Japanese garden. In November, I was up all night studying. I haven't made any videos. Itoigawa, the oldest jade producing area in the world. There is no famous tourist destination, but it was a very interesting trip. I got a handbag. My 44th birthday. We went to Ise Jingu for my first visit. In Japan, January 1st is a very important day, and families go to the shrine to pray for the year's happiness. Ise Jingu is an important shrine that protects Japan. There the sun goddess Amaterasu is worshipped. Nagoya Castle and Kusatsu Onsen Hot Spring. And I overslept. The udon. This is the most delicious food in Japan, and it's cheap and fast. You should definitely try it. This is my 1 year.